Hey there, space cadets and reality hoppers. Welcome to another mind-bending episode of Cosmic Conundrums. Today, we're diving headfirst into the wildest theory in all of physics, the multiverse. Buckle up, because things are about to get weird, infinitely weird. Picture this. You're making breakfast, deciding between cereal and toast. In one universe, you choose cereal and go about your day. But in another universe, you pick toast, and somehow that choice leads to you becoming a famous rock star. Sound crazy? Well, welcome to the multiverse theory, where every decision spawns a new reality. But before we get ahead of ourselves, let's break it down. What exactly is the multiverse? In simple terms, it's the idea that our universe isn't the only one out there. Instead, there could be an infinite number of universes, each with its own set of physical laws and possibilities. It's like having infinite channels on your cosmic TV, each playing a different version of reality. Now, you might be thinking, this sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie. And you're not wrong. The multiverse has been a popular concept in fiction for decades. But here's the kicker. Many serious scientists are considering it as a legitimate theory. So how did we go from thinking we're the only show in town to considering infinite realities? It all starts with quantum mechanics, the branch of physics that deals with the very, very small. In the quantum world, particles can exist in multiple states at once, only settling into one state when observed. This led some physicists to wonder, what if those other states don't just disappear, but split off into their own universes? Enter Hugh Everett, a physicist who proposed the many worlds interpretation in 1957. Everett suggested that every time a quantum event occurs, the universe splits into multiple versions. In one universe, the particle spins left. In another, it spins right. And just like that, the multiverse was born, theoretically at least. But wait, there's more. The multiverse isn't just about quantum mechanics. Some theories suggest that our universe is just one bubble in a vast cosmic foam. Imagine blowing bubbles in your bathtub, but each bubble is an entire universe. This idea, known as the bubble universe theory, suggests that new universes are constantly being created. And if that wasn't mind-bending enough, there's also the idea of parallel universes. These would be universes that exist alongside ours, potentially with alternate versions of ourselves living out different lives. Maybe in one of those universes, you actually did become an astronaut like you dreamed of as a kid. Now, I know what you're thinking. If there are infinite universes, does that mean there's one where I'm a superhero? Well, theoretically, yes. There could be a universe where you have super strength, can fly, and look great in spandex. But there's also probably a universe where you're a villain. So let's not get too excited. Of course, with any wild theory comes a healthy dose of skepticism. Many scientists argue that the multiverse is impossible to prove or disprove, making it more philosophy than science. After all, how can we observe or test something that exists outside our own universe? But proponents of the multiverse theory argue that it actually solves some major problems in physics. For example, it could explain why our universe seems so perfectly tuned for life. Instead of our universe being special, it could just be one of infinite universes with different properties. We just happen to exist in one that can support life. The multiverse could also help explain some weird quantum phenomena, like quantum entanglement. That's when two particles are connected in such a way that measuring one instantly affects the other, no matter how far apart they are. Some scientists suggest this could be evidence of interaction between parallel universes. Now let's get really wild for a moment. If the multiverse theory is true, what does that mean for us? Are there infinite versions of you out there living different lives? And if so, are you responsible for their actions? It's enough to make your brain do somersaults. But don't worry, even if there are infinite yous out there, you're still unique. After all, you're the only you experiencing this particular reality right now, watching this mind-blowing video. So what's the practical application of all this multiverse madness? Well, aside from providing endless material for sci-fi writers, it could revolutionize our understanding of reality itself. It challenges us to think beyond our limited perspective and consider the vast possibilities of existence. Plus, it's a great excuse next time you make a mistake. Just claim it was actually an alternate version of you from another universe. I'm sure that'll go over well with your boss. Now let's address the elephant in the room, or should I say the elephant in the multiverse. If there are infinite universes, does that mean there's one where you're reading this script instead of me? And in that universe, are you doing a better job? Let's move on. The concept of the multiverse also raises some interesting philosophical questions. If every possible reality exists, does that mean we don't have free will? Are our choices predetermined by the need to fulfill every possible outcome? Or does each decision truly create new universes, making us the architects of realities? It's heavy stuff, I know, but that's the beauty of the multiverse theory. It makes us question everything we think we know about reality. So where does this leave us? Are we really living in just one of infinite universes? Or is the multiverse just a creative way to explain the unexplainable? The truth is, we don't know yet, but isn't that what makes science so exciting? The constant quest for knowledge, pushing the boundaries of what we understand. Who knows? Maybe one day we'll develop technology advanced enough to detect other universes. Or perhaps we'll find a way to communicate across realities. Just imagine the possibilities for interdimensional social media. Until then, we'll keep theorizing, questioning, and exploring the vast possibilities of existence. Because in the end, whether we live in a single universe or an infinite multiverse, one thing remains true. Reality is far stranger and more wonderful than we could ever imagine. So the next time you're faced with a difficult decision, remember, somewhere out there, in the vast expanse of the multiverse, you've already made every possible choice. And in at least one of those realities, you're probably a superhero rock star astronaut. Dream big, space cadets. And that's it for today's journey into the mind-bending world of the multiverse. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Who knows? In another universe, you might have already done it. Until next time, keep questioning reality and stay cosmic.